Hello, lovely people. This is Chef and Knife. This is another video, which is will be a straightforward video. No joke part, just a straightforward video for cast iron skillet. I'm using cast iron skillet at home. I do use cast iron skillet on my barbecue days or other things, and it's been handmade by one of my friend who is a blacksmith. So it's not a company skillet. It's been made by one of my friend. So it's just a review that uh, can someone make a skillet, iron skillet at home? I don't have the video of how he made this skillet, but from my point of view, it's a review video. So without further wasting your time and my time, let's talk about cast iron skillet. So there's a long history of people who love to use cast iron skillet because it's it's a pan which can be used outdoor cooking, indoor cooking, barbecue, roasting, grilling, whatever you want to use this pan, you can use this pan. So as I can say, you can use this pan as in campfire, you can use this pan on barbecue, you can use this pan on home cooking, you can do baking on it, you can do roasting on it. You choose it, man, you choose it. You can use this skillet on every situation. It's not a complete skillet, it's been handmade by one of my friend who's a blacksmith. So let's talk about the skillet, cast iron skillet, right? So it's 20 centimeter round, and uh, it needs more attention. It's not your day-to-day stainless steel pan, it's cast iron skillet, right? It can get rust very easily. So if I'm using it, I need to make sure that I do proper cleaning and good maintenance, so it can remain black, or else it will be brown. Need maintenance, right? If you see any video about cast iron skillet, they need maintenance, a good maintenance. And if you want to use these kind of pans on daily basis, remember you need to maintain these pan also, because these can be with you for a long time. I really want to make it short video, so if you have any query, write your comment. I'm happy to write you back, or you can mail me on my official email, which is in my profile. And I love to share more ideas about cast iron skillet. It's small review about cast iron skillet. There will be a further more reviews about the skillet, and there will be more testing about the skillet. I'm going to showcase that how I use the skillet in future videos. A big skillet, the big one, right? The heavy one. It's a heavy skillet, right? Handmade skillet, heavy one. That's why this got no industrial type of polish. So it's been handmade by one of my friend. And thank you guys for watching my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Please share this share this video. Please share my channel to one of your colleagues and friends and family members. Do love to get more response from your side also. And thank you for watching my channel, guys, and have a lovely weekend. Thank you.